Hello and welcome back to the second edition of the Best of Beauty Finds. This is your host and host for tonight, tomorrow, morning, whenever you're watching me, Ishita, the YouTuber Ishita. I did the first edition of this back in 2020 and some of you really enjoyed it, so we are bringing it back in two parts. This is going to the weekend edition, the technical awards, जैसे actor and actresses की movies के लिए technicians are the core important team. For the good makeup base, you need skincare. So welcome to Ishpic's Beauty Skincare Awards 2024. Powered by Amazon for always having the best of the best sales on beauty and fashion for you and I both. And right now they have their wardrobe refresh sale, so best of the brands are available at 60 to 80% off. So sari links would be mentioned below because we want you to try the best of this year. Now before beginning with the categories, let's appreciate the jury members as well, which is me and my partner and my friends and my family. A huge round of applause for them for trying out all my recommendations and giving me another perspective about the same product. Because a lot of times what works on me might not work for the other person. So yeah, these were my guinea pigs. Now let's begin with the first category, which is going to be cleansers. I know market में बहुत सारे cleansers हैं, from powder cleansers to just moisturizers that work as cleansers as well. But मेरे मुंह पे, मेरे थोबड़े पे जो दो चीजें work करी हैं, number one is Cetaphil, the tried and tested dry to normal skin वाला edition. It's gentle, it does the work. For someone who's a huge fan of double cleansing, this was the perfect second step for that double cleansing method. And चाहे आपकी कैसी भी skin हो, this is that perfect face wash. Another face wash that I used and abused this year was Dot & Key. It's a watermelon super glow gel face wash. I feel Dot & Key has been doing great, like tremendous stuff when it comes to skincare. And this one has vitamin C and cucumber. It was very gentle, very mild on my skin. ये मुझे याद है मैं Jan और Feb में use करती थी यहाँ पे. So peak winters में it kept my skin hydrated, and that's what we want. इनकी watermelon range is one of the best, so thumbs up. So a huge round of applause for Cetaphil and Dot & Key for making my skin glowy and hydrated. Now let's talk about makeup cleansers. Of course, I use oil-based cleansers for double cleansing. Again, it's a tie between two products. Number one is THC. This was my holy grail since years and I still use it this year. मैंने इसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में use किया था and perfect, deserves this award completely. And I think अगर एक newcomer का award देना होगा, then I have to give it to the Conscious Chemist Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. It contains 100% natural origin plant oils. I just bought it while coming back to India because ये बहुत सस्ता मिल रहा था, 300 rupees का. And I must say, एक महीना हो चुका है. I've been using it and I love how it just cleanses my face. Makeup मेरे पोर से यूं निकल जाता है and it does a pretty good job. So I use this and then go ahead with the Dot & Key face wash या फिर Cetaphil and I'm good to go. So great job, Conscious Chemist. I found this brand this year only and I'm really liking their products. Then is a step that is not necessarily in everybody's routine, but I feel it can make a very good, impactful difference if you choose the right one. I am talking about toners. Everybody needs a toner depending on their skin condition. This year, I was all about hydrating toners, and this particular category के लिए, I would like to thank my mother because she used one of my recommendations and had a great review about the Laneige Hyaluronic Essence Water. Literally, ये पूरी bottle खत्म हो चुकी है. There's हल्का सा पानी left. I was using this before going to Australia, but मैंने इसके बाद अपनी मम्मी को दे दिया because I felt वहाँ के लिए I would need something more hydrating, and she loved using it. So lightweight. It just gave her that glowy, hydrated skin base. So Laneige, keep it up. And why I'm saying just Laneige is because वहाँ से वापस आके I got this Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer 2-in-1 formula. Again, a very beautiful formula, almost like दूध वाला पानी है ये, and it just keeps my skin so plump and glowy. This is what I've been using this entire few weeks that I've been in India, and you can see अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. ये हर दिन हर रात में use करती हूँ and I love it. So Laneige is going to be my top recommendation for toners this year, but I know budget wise थोड़ा ये ज़्यादा है. If you want something a little more affordable, go for Tony Moly. You literally get 500 ml for the same price, and I got it at great discount. Since my mother has already used the Laneige one, I'm making her try this one. I've heard great reviews about it, so I know this is going to work. This is the rice smoothing toner. You know, fermented rice is going viral all over the internet, so I got her this toner because my mother and I both don't have a lot of scarring, जिसके लिए एक exfoliating toner हर दिन use करने की जरूरत है, इसलिए I prefer hydrating toners. I have used exfoliating ones and they work well. Sorry, it's break time. Hello? Then let's go ahead with the moisturizer of my dream. Literally one of the best finds this year that I got. It's going to be Dot & Key. It's their ceramide and hyaluronic barrier relief moisturizer. You know वो सारे जो moisturizers होते थे 3,500 के ऊपर के like DU and Clinique. I have seen people ditching those and going for this one because this just works for your skin. You don't actually need 4,000-5,000 के moisturizers. You can go ahead and invest in them, but why to waste your money on them when you literally get something so beautiful for your skin barrier at half the price, at a fraction of that price. It's hyaluronic acid, तो ये hydrating रखेगा, आपकी skin को एक plum effect भी देता है, and especially if you're using some, you know, high intensity वाले serums for your scarring and everything, उसके ऊपर layer करने के लिए this is just great. This doesn't have anything that can hamper. With those serums, आप आराम से इसको layer कर सकते हो, and winters के लिए तो specifically just go ahead and buy this. This is the biggest packaging of 175 grams for just 600 rupees. I know sale में और a better price होगा, and I know पूरी सर्दियाँ निकाल सकती हूँ मैं इससे. So go get it. And this also I've ordered for my mother this time. So for serums, look at these two pictures first. Literally रात में मैं ऐसी शक्ल के साथ सोई थी, and text warning because of the serum, it literally looked like this. Literally overnight, it kind of reduced my acne, my new pimples. So zits को एकदम control कर लेता है, and that serum is the one and only Ordinary serum. This is their niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%, high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. I don't know what any of that means, but I know that since 3 years, every time my skin goes through a tough phase, I rely back only niacinamide. And Ordinary has become in the last 2 years one of my those holy grail brands again. Just skincare pe I can blindly trust. Everything that I've bought from them or tried from them has been top-notch quality. So if you have a lot of pores, if you get a lot of oiliness around your pores, around your T-zone, niacinamide serums are a must in your routine. Now, serums ho gaye, moisturizers ho gaye, let's go ahead to the biggest trend of this year, which is going to be sunscreen. Every other brand was making sunscreen in the form of spray, in the form of powder. 2 साल से यही trend है. But let me hook you up with one of the best, like one of my favorite sunscreens from this year. I've tried so many, but somehow Australia में जब भी मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता था, मेरा हाथ हमेशा like अपने आप ही इस पे जाता था, and it's by Moody. It's their 7D Hydro Burst Hybrid Water sunscreen. Now this is water sunscreen, but it's not as liquidy as the Wishcare one. It's not as thick as the early 2 साल पहले वाली sunscreen as well. It's the right balance between a hydrating moisturizer and a liquidy sunscreen. It just blends beautifully, no white cast. It's 50 SPF, PA4+, and this has hyaluronic and coconut water. 50 ml का price was somewhere around 400-500 rupees. So it's actually a good quality product with the cutest packaging as well. मैं इनका vitamin C जो yellow variant है वो भी यूज कर रही थी वहाँ पे, but somehow I just love this one. I know हर्षित को भी मैंने इस पे हुक करवा दिया था, but मैं फिर वापस लेके आ गई यहाँ पे. If you're one of those girls जिनको सिर्फ एक ही प्रोडक्ट चाहिए होता है अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में, जब तक वो खत्म नहीं हो जाता, they do not jump on the next product from the same category. Trust me, when you're done with your current sunscreens, just try this. मेरे कहने पे it deserves this award. पहले try में you'll understand why I'm giving this the award for the best sunscreen of this entire year. ऐसा नहीं है मैंने और अच्छी sunscreens use नहीं करी from better brands, but this one just इनकी sunscreen का texture is out of this world. And you literally जैसे आप उसे apply करते हो, you feel that hydration just going through your skin. Now, of course, there has to be a special mention for the revolutionary sunscreen sprays that were like getting launched every few weeks from every other brand. I think the trend was started by this brand called Sundays 52. उनका जो sunscreen spray था, I tried it and I loved it, but Thailand में मेरे airport पे उसको निकलवा के फेंक दिया गया. I unfortunately had a lot of liquid product in my hand luggage, तो सब फेंकवा दिया and everything was costly. But that's when I found something even better than that. That is by Happier. This was Happier Sun Day Spritz Away. It's literally SPF 50, everything same like that, but the cost is literally half of what Sundays was giving you. And this is also just as great as that one. So if you're looking for a sunscreen spray for your vacation time or when you're going out, if your job is something like that, जिसमें आपको धूप में बहुत जाना है, just close your eyes and buy this one. From this, you know how there are actors that are also acting in the movie but also have given their voice in the music या फिर direct कर लिया है कुछ ना और multitask करते रहते हैं. वैसे we have a sunscreen that is also a makeup. Yes, I'm talking about Skin Tint with SPF. Of course, I had to cover this and I had to mention the Dot and Key again Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen. This is hands down one of my most favorite product from this entire year. Literally बिना कुछ सोचे बस मैं इसे मुंह पे लगा के निकल जाती थी यहाँ पे धूप में and it would give me a light coverage along with sun protection as well. What else do you need? I think मैंने starting में mention कर दिया था Dot and Key is killing it with their skincare and this product proves it. I am in the shade Sand. This is what I have on my skin right now as well. And yeah, if you're planning to buy something like this, go for it. It's hydrating. It doesn't cling on to your dry patches kahin se bhi. So get it. Okay, sunscreen category mein we have even more well-deserving contenders. So let's cover them as well. Let's talk about body sunscreen. And we have a tie between two sunscreen spray. Number one is going to be the Moha Sunscreen Body Lotion Spray. It's amazing. It's so convenient. I use it in Pondicherry. I use it in Thailand. And uske baad wo airport pe nikal diya gaya. So yeah, but it was bought with my own money. And I love it to the bits. And another one would be by Asaya. This one is a recent purchase. What I love about this is it's 65 plus SPF. So in case you are going for a beach vacation, 50 chodo 65 hi le lo. And this was cheaper than the Moha one as far as I remember. It's a sheer sunscreen mist, UVA, UVB, sweat and water resistant water spray. Love it. It's less oilier and greasier than the Moha one. Isliye I want to mention this one by Asaya. Again, I love how Indian brands are being so experimental, and I feel these brands like Happier and Asaya are not getting enough credit for what they're doing, so buy them. Okay, now let's talk about body care, and I feel number one category has to be exfoliators. I know there are a lot of physical scrubbers and chemical exfoliants, but my favorite this time, and I think this is something that I've been using for almost 1.5 years, is going to be the glycolic acid by Ordinary. Again, I don't have it here, but here's a little bit of videos of that. It's a very potent and very, strong exfoliant, which is why it's perfect for your body exfoliation. मैंने इसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया और थाईलैंड जाने से पहले यूज किया था on my inner thighs, on my underarms, on my neck, and my God, एक वीक में जो मैंने रिजल्ट्स देखे हैं, it just literally exfoliates your skin. You know how bumps आ जाते हैं आपके रेजर यूज करने से without exfoliation and proper routine? It cured that as well. And मैंने जैसे ही इसे यूज करना बंद किया, the bumps started coming back again. So I feel all those AHA and BHA वाले body washes and body lotion का पूरा काम ये एक इकलौता product कर लेता है, and that is why I'm just going to talk about one exfoliant. That is going to be this one. Again, it's a little too strong, so I have never tried it on my face. If I wanted to, you can also use it on your scalp as a cure for dandruff. फटी हुई एड़ियों पे भी ये work करता है. It just works beautifully. It's a multi-purpose product and deserves the best exfoliant का award for all the years. I don't think so there's anything possibly that can beat this one for me. Let's talk about body lotions, and I have two biggest winners. Number one is going to be Plum Body Loving. I am hooked to their body care, how beautiful, moisturizing and hydrating they are, and how beautiful they smell. This one is Vanilla Caramel. I also have their newest launch, but somehow this one has my heart. I absolutely love everything caramel. It's a weakness for me, and this range is definitely a holy grail. I love this one. I love their perfume. I love their mist from this. I have all of it. So this is going to be my favorite. Apart from this, if I have to suggest something, another favorite of mine would be the Wishcare ka SPF body lotion. Beautiful formula. It's very glowy, it's very hydrating, and comes with SPF. Agar Plum lotion SPF bhi dal dena, I'm telling you, it's going to be the best of both worlds. Since it doesn't come with SPF, that is why I'm suggesting the Wishcare one. Okay, I think we've covered all the face and body wali categories. Let's talk about hair care. Now, number one, we have the ultimate award for the hair range, styling range, and it goes to none other than Be Blunt. From their heat protecting mist to their hair styling sprays, they sponsored me for a good amount of time last year. Thank you, मेरा खर्चा चलाने के लिए. But trust me, these are just worth your money. Literally, मेरे बालों की बैंड नहीं बजी because I was constantly using this for styling. And वो hair hold spray just works. And surprisingly, they're not very costly. So Be Blunt, take the award for being the best when it comes to hair styling. Love it. But this year I found another beautiful product that just changed the game of my hairstyling, and that is by Wella. It's their styling mousse. Ever since I've started using Dyson, styling mousse have become a holy grail in my routine, and the Wella ka volumizing one that I've used and abused is just worth every penny. Literally, my curls are long lasting because of that styling mousse. I also tried using the one by Fix My Curl. It's their volumizing weightless whip mousse, but somehow it did not give me the same hold जो मुझे Wella से मिलता है. So yeah, if you want something like heat protectant या फिर styling radiant spray, go for Be Blunt, and styling mousses के लिए go for Wella. And the last category would be hair shampoos, and I have two to share with you. Number one is going to be from Plum. It's their coconut milk and peptide strength and shine shampoo. It moisturizes and enhances shine. मैं इसे already use करती थी. I worked with them when I was in Australia, and I wanted to show you कि मैं इसका conditioner and shampoo already India में use कर रही थी. This is what I've started using again जब से मैं वापस आई हूँ. Literally conditioner खाली कर चुकी हूँ मैं. So this should show you how much I love this brand when it comes to hair care. Of course, इनके mist, इनके body lotions are popular. Makeup, I don't know. But hair care is one of the biggest strength that they have apart from skincare. The hair care game is amazing. Their avocado conditioner is also one of my favorite hair masks. So yeah. Apart from this, another range that I absolutely love this year is going to be by Wishcare. It's their Triple Bond Repair Shampoo. Lovely, lovely, lovely product. It's moisturizing. It's really gentle on your hair. Now, iska conditioner is a little different. It's sort of like a booster serum, and it actually moisturizes your hair really, really well. So these two are my favorite picks when it comes to hair care range. Yeah. Given the fact कि मैं कितना स्टाइल करने लग गई अपने बालों को, these two were my trusted shampoo when it comes to my hair. And that's a wrap on Ishita's Pick Skincare Edition. Next week के लिए wait करना because that is the main ceremony of makeup finds. So you know, I'll try to include some fashion finds also. Let me know if you want two separate videos about it. I can do both. Baki, I know the ceremony was a little boring because we did not have any performances, but I hope you guys enjoyed the ads in between. Next ceremony mein, I'll try to fill in the entertainment section as well for you guys. But yeah, let me know how fair you felt these awards were. अगर आपको लगा कि मैं थोड़ी biased थी and I did not bring more better deserving awards, categories or brands for you, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Till then, subscribe and hit the red button. Okay, bye. Also resuming the shout out of the video. This time it goes to Dia. Thank you so much for enjoying the vlog. Literally, इस comment से मुझे रोना आ गया because it again reminded me of the sipper that we missed out in that vlog. That too from YouTube, but glad you enjoyed it. This is the biggest patch because मैंने starting में बोला था ना Dot & Key is killing with